Okay, getting ready for the maiden of this new MiG-29.
Throttle active, middle range.
At a high rate. Sure, everything's good.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 2.
Okay, bring it back to
Flaps
flaps.
1.
Okay. Okay, you're clear. I'm about to be taking off.
Is this your maiden or you already flew?
No, it's the maiden. This one's the maiden. Okay, taking off. Okay, it's feeling good.
Flaps 1.
Bring flaps up. Let's bring these gears up. I'll be coming over the field from the left.
Gear up.
Thank you. The roll feels okay. I need to get a feel for my elevator here. Maybe I need a little up trim.
It flies great.
Yeah, let me get a feel for the elevator here. Maybe I need to give it up. Maybe I need to give it a little up trim here. See, I got friends here. I got visitors. Let's go say hello. I feel like I get delayed response from the elevator here.
Do you have expo too high or?
I don't know if it's the expo. Maybe I'll dial the expo down. I think the expo is like at 25%. It's not that high. Or maybe it's at 30%.
2 minutes and 54 seconds. 22.2 volts.
So last time your battery went, right?
Yeah.
So you know how long to fly it?
Well, I have voltage telemetry. But the last time it was, well, really, like if I had made that first landing attempt, it would have been okay. But I didn't make that landing attempt and it didn't last on the go around.
Does it have stability?
No. This is all manual. No, I don't do the gyro thing.
Yeah, no, I mean, it looks great.
Thank you. Yeah, no, it's you can feel the weight in this plane. You know, like it's like a lot. Yo, I'm sorry.
You got enough battery for a are you coming in?
No, I'm good.
He's good. Everybody's
1
asking.
minute.
Huh?
22.3 volts.
I'm good, Scott. Thank you.
Low battery.
Oh, now that he said that.
Low battery.
Coming in?
No, not yet.
Didn't it just say low battery?
Yeah, but like it's set up this way. Like it's a 4-second delay. So it's like the voltage has to be at 4 seconds plus consistently for it to read out low battery. Once she starts yelling out danger, then I gotta come in.
Low
Like
battery.
the breeze shift direction.
Yeah, it's still crosswind.
It's a
still from the
crosswind, right?
A little bit more.
Yeah, I see. I'm gonna set up to land
38 seconds, 21.9.
from the
Low
left.
battery. Low battery. Gear down.
Just come in with the wind, drop these gears. Gears are dropping. Beautiful.
Low battery. Low battery. Flaps 1. Flaps 2. Timer 1 up.
Oh, this thing's floating. Whoa!
Beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. Maiden worked. I'll work with this. Let's bring this boy back. I'll taxi this back, actually.
I'll check your battery and carry
Ha 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 ha. Beautiful. This works. Maiden successful.
Throttle disabled. Middle rates. Low rates. Flaps 1. Flaps normal.
Maiden good.